On April 3, 2023, Mohammed Jamal and Halimatu Adams took their son, Faraj Mohammed, to the KNUST Hospital for a simple procedure, male circumcision. The baby was received by a nurse who took him to the theater for the procedure.
Third April, no near Joadanapa. Na akulanya 10 days. Inti ya say ye be for circumcision. You jare akra no you ho den bibia ha no na de no call Tech Hospital. You de no call hospital no. Omo ochire theater ma ye call ho. E ma nurse ne no abeji akra no hwe no. Nti oje akra no eyi ne diaper no. E run atade hwe akra no hwe ne diaper hwe ne be ma ho nyina. O hwe na o si bibia ye okay.
The wild cry of the baby was heard for the last time by the parents, who were then seated at the waiting area of the theater. Then, some senior nurses and doctors were seen rushing into the theater, a development which made the parents distraught. The baby's mother, Halimatu Adams, knew something bad had happened to the baby, but had to endure a long wait to hear news about her son.
Doctor Nekasakra, Mama Nan Kasensi, or Kasana, Nameka say, Gotcha said, Doctor Gotcha say me banu, because no my feeling say, I'm Pabibi, I am a pam.
The thought of losing their only male child under bizarre circumstances has left the couple traumatized.
The feeling or the pain that you go through, unless you experience it, because it's something you cannot even express it. What you go through, the psychological pains, the trauma that you go through any night, when you hear the cry of the child, the pains and even you can't do anything, you can't focus.
Authorities at the KNUST Hospital have declined comments on the matter. The University Relations Officer says the matter has been referred to the legal department of the university. But a patient-centered non-governmental group is leading a campaign to bring justice to the Jamals. The Advocacy for Medical Malpractice Victims says it can establish a prima facie case against KNUST Hospital. Kwame Brobe Apia is the executive secretary.
From all indications, the hospital was negligent in the conduct of the circumcision. So we believe strongly that we will be able to establish a prima facie case against the hospital. The little checks that we have made with the hospital, the indications are that one, the person that supposedly conducted the procedure was not an expert in that field, and the person was unqualified to take up that particular exercise. Then again, we are also told that they actually did not procure the informed consent of the parents, because it's important to let them know the risk associated with the procedure and then any other outcome that they are likely to have before the process is done. That wasn't done. Also, from the investigations we have done, we know for a fact that they actually did not take the history of the baby before proceeding to undertake the procedure. If that had been done, I am sure a lot of these issues would have been averted.
Checks at the Health Ministry indicate medical legal cases are on the rise in the country. In recent times, at least 2 medical legal cases are received every week, a development which has left Health Minister Kwaku Agyeman worried.
What I'm seeing of late in the ministry are issues of litigation. For the past 4 weeks or so, almost every week, we get at least one letter from the Attorney General's office. Somebody has sued somebody with problems with care, service delivery, and they want us to come with information for them to go to court with. Then we'll refer to Director General, Paul Kumabwaji. But I've been with you for the past 6 years. Earlier when I came in, those things were not happening that much. But now it's become something, it's just climbing, it's becoming very common.
From Kumasi, for Joy News, Ohimeteria reporting.